In this video, I want to talk about how you can remove bundle deals on AliExpress. Now keep in mind a lot of stuff from bundle deals you can only get in a bundle deal. So what you can do instead is you can look for the name of the search, copy the first few parts of the name, and then put it in here and look for it without it being a bundle deal. So basically two separate listings. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is on your phone, download the app, find a listing, and then long press on the image, and something will pop up where you can click on similar items. Now, this will find similar items, and it might even find identical items, but ones that are not inside of a bundle deal. So currently, those are the only two ways that you can do this. Keep that in mind. If it doesn't work, the only way you can get it is through the bundle deal. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.